Guess I won't use that piece.
Awesome. That's awesome. We're not editing that out.
Woo! You got to watch
man.
that fondant. It runs
That's
away on
good.
you.
Did you see that jump out there?
Yeah.
Fondant said, not me.
How
Jumping
about the
out.
walking encyclopedia?
Now, the fun
How about
part-
the walking fondant, huh?
That's nice.
Woo! That ran away from me.
The fun part is that no one can relate. It's never happened to anyone else where they take a perfectly good piece of fondant and just chuck it on the floor. It's good. Good thing we have
Usually
all
I
those
do it
people.
on purpose.
Yeah.
Chuck it at somebody or something.
It's good flying fondant. It's a good thing we
Yes.
have those people behind
I
the
know.
counter to
Thank
help.
you guys down
Thanks a
there
lot,
for
guys.
getting that. Thank you. Good job. Gives them something to do. All right, so roll this one out. So this one's just a little different. Let me turn it this way because the pages would go here, here. Same thing though as I usually will cut a straight line, estimate about 4 inches wide, and cut a straight line here, so close to 4 inches. Pick it up, go up to the cake like this, over, and trim. Okay, there we go, like that, and voila. Then I can go to my red. Okay, so now I've got the red. So whatever the school colors are, you can do the books in that, or you can do them in whatever color you choose.
I could actually make these in blue?
No,
No, okay.
any color but blue.
Any blue. Okay, red, yellow, green.
Any color
Not
you
blue.
want.
Got it. Okay, I just want to make sure that we're on the same page.
We are.
Ha! I made it funny. We're
Yeah,
on the same page.
woo! Don't quit your day job.
That's
Oh,
sad.
boy.
That's sad.
I
She's
know.
my day job.
Wow. So anything exciting going on? Nothing?
Nothing.
Oh, you guys, come on, you're boring. Come on, let's, something.
They're looking at you. They're just watching and saying, okay,
Yeah?
you want to learn this thing.
Okay, for this one, what I'll do is cut, again, a straight line, and then kind of guess. I want it to hang over a little bit. Is this cake in the way? Want it to hang over a little bit, so I'll cut it at about 4.5 inches. So I'll cut a straight line here, close to 4.5. Maybe I'll give it a little extra just to be sure. And make sure that it isn't too thin. If it's too thin, then it won't stick up how we want it to. Now you might think I'd go this way, but actually I'm going to go the opposite way down here. Tuck that under and bring that over like so. Okay, and then take the scissors and trim this. So probably just a little more like that. Okay, so I do this in 2 pieces. This piece and then one more piece that's going to go down here and wrap around. And then once I get this on, then what I need to do is take a veining tool. I take the wide end, not the thin end, and right about here, hold this fondant up because it's sticking over the edge, right? Press down here, and just go lightly and then go back over it, like so. Okay, and then on the sides here, I take a ruler. Can you see that angle there? Okay, take a ruler, and I usually will press in like this for the pages. And this is why the cake should be firm. And I like to do it after I put the cover on, but you can do it before if you're worried about it drying. And then you'll do the sides. And then on the edge here, you want to take your tool and just draw kind of a round where the pages are bound together. And then you can always go back and make deeper pages with this tool, the thin end, if you need to. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that on the cake over there. So let me just actually move over to this one first. And then we can go from there.